Replace the HS5000 sleeve using the repair kit, which contains instructions, nuts and screws, nylon washers, and the new sleeve. First, open the door to the valve and remove the switch by pressing the tabs on either side of the switch with a flathead screwdriver until the switch releases. Remove the switch. Next, remove all of the nuts with a Phillips head screwdriver and an 11/32 wrench. Then, remove all of the screws and washers. With a gentle wiggling motion, remove the bend tube from the rest of the valve. Remove the sleeve from the inside of the bend tube, noting the two different sized sides of the sleeve, and discard the old sleeve. Take the new sleeve and place into the bend tube with the larger side in. Reinstall the bend tube by sliding it onto the valve and gently twist and apply pressure until it pops into place. Take 4 new screws and 4 new washers and place the washers onto the screws. Slide the screws with the washers into the holes. Take 4 new nylon nuts from the repair kit and 4 new nylon washers. Install the washers on the back of each screw, followed by a nut for each screw. With a wrench and screwdriver, tighten the screws until they are snug. Once the screws are secure, replace the switch by inserting the wires through the switch hole in the frame of the valve, making sure that the O is pointed towards the bottom of the valve. Snap the switch into place.